चर्चिल साहब की हिमाकत देखी आपने मौलाना? हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स में जनाब फरमाते हैं कि any attempt by the Congress party to establish Hindu rule on the basis of majority will be fatal to any conception of the unity of India. This unity was a superficial appearance imposed there by the long generations of British rule. And it would pass away once the impartial guidance from the outside is withdrawn.
My charge is that the Muslim League has been encouraged by the attitude of the British to imagine that if it does not come, it may be able to veto the final decision of the Constitutional Assembly.
डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी के ठीक बाद पहली बार संविधान सभा में बोलने खड़े हुए डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर।
Today, we are divided politically, socially, and economically. We are a group of warring camps. And let me confess that I am probably one of the leaders of such a camp. But sir, I'm quite convinced that given time and circumstances, nothing in the world will prevent this country from becoming one.